If your Vizio Smart TV suddenly starts talking, reading out menu options, or describing what's on the screen, it can catch you off guard, especially if you didn't turn it on intentionally. This feature is known as voice guidance or talkback, and it's designed to help users navigate the TV using audio cues. While it's useful for accessibility, it can feel distracting or unnecessary if you don't need it. The confusing part is that once it's enabled, every movement in the menu is spoken out loud, which makes it harder to quickly find the setting to turn it off. The good thing is that the option to disable it is right inside the settings menu, and once you know the exact path, you can switch it off in less than a minute and return your TV to normal silent navigation. Try these. Step 1. Press the menu or settings button on your Vizio remote. Step 2. Navigate to the accessibility or system settings section. Step 3. Look for voice guidance, talkback, or similar option. Step 4. Select it and toggle the feature off. Step 5. Lower or mute volume temporarily if the voice is distracting while navigating. Step 6. Exit the settings menu and confirm the voice has stopped.